You guys want to see something cool? Want to see something cool? Arc de Triomphe. No way. I was gonna go home, but then I saw that it's on the way to stop home, so I was like, screw it, let me get out of here. It's enormous. Oh, those who fought in the Napoleon Wars as well as the French Revolutionary Wars, the Arc de Triomphe is like an honorary monument for them. Just like a huge roundabout around it. Pretty cool. I want to get in the middle. There's people in the middle, so I'm gonna try to find out how to get through, but look at this. I don't know the way in, I don't know the way in. I'll figure it out. We found it, we found it. Little underground tunnel type thing. Now I was about to run through the center of the roundabout, and good thing I didn't. Let's go in. I touched it. I touched it. Let's go. Really cool stuff. Like inside you have like the names or probably last names of some of the people who fought in the war, and then like right here you got some dude on a horse, other people like grasping to him as he's like fighting, and this guy's like an angel. I don't know. Really cool. And there's like more war stuff up there. Really cool designs, like really in depth, very sculpted, sculpted very well. Sculpted very well. Really cool monument, and I was really glad that I get to see it. You can actually go inside, like under it, I think, but it's 16 pounds, and I don't know what could be possibly under there. So I'm not going, but I'm gonna walk back through this little tunnel and head home. Back at the hotel. I'm gonna rest for a little bit, eat some leftovers from earlier, and I'll see you guys for dinner. So we got the pizza, peep. Nothing too crazy, and then we were able to also get a bottle of wine on the way home. So I'm gonna just eat here, chill, and then I'm gonna try to catch the Eiffel Tower at night, because it's like every hour at the first like 5 minutes, that's when it like sparkles. So it's currently like 8:30 right now, so I'm just gonna eat and then hopefully try to head over there and see it. Let's go. It's a pretty bad place here. First off, forgot that this is a cork, so I gotta figure out a way to open this. And second, this one's like just like weird. I don't know. My pizza's like not sliced. It's like, see, it's just like all. I just gotta pull it off and eat it that way. So I guess that's a thing they do here, but it's all one slice. So I don't know how we're gonna solve this wine issue, but I'm gonna figure something out. So I read online that if you apply heat to it, it should move the cork. So it might take a while, but we're gonna go with the blow dryer. Blow dryer didn't work. I think the smart play is just to go downstairs and ask the bar. So I'm just gonna do that. See that? Guy downstairs got me right. Cheers, lads. I'm too American, bro. I had to mix up the meat. I don't know if you remember what it looked like before, but it wasn't an even ratio. I wasn't a big fan. I had to make my own. But hey, the props is that they gave me hot sauce, so it's a dub. Just took a couple pictures by the Eiffel Tower. I'm getting hungry, so let's get some food. I wasn't able to hit the tower yesterday because I got super tired and it was late and I was scared to go outside, so I wasn't able to make it. But I'm gonna try to make it today because it's my last day today, and I have an early morning tomorrow. My flight's at 9:30. However, the airport is like an hour away, so I gotta get home a little early today, pack, and then plan out how I'm gonna get to the airport tomorrow to make sure that I'm not late and there are no issues and I don't miss my flight, because that would really not be ideal. So we'll figure out that now, but let's go get some breakfast. So I don't know if you saw, but we got some pho, and then now we're at the... Wait, let me see what it's called. Now we're walking to Sacré-Cœur Basilica, which is like a church in like northern part of Paris, and it's really cool out here. I don't know if you saw the pho, but it was like the noodles were a little thicker, and there was a lot of meat, only for 11 pounds. So it wasn't the best pho I've ever had, but I had to go back to the roots. I've been missing it for like 2 weeks, so I did, and now we're like a 5-minute walk. Look at this, some of this stuff. And then this place is really cool. I don't know. It's like Paris. Like this is what I thought Paris was like. Alright, I'll see you guys when we're at the church. Alright, we're here. It's like the Taj Mahal type thing. Like this. I don't know. Let's see if we get up there. And we just got scanned. There's guys at the entrance. Like there and there. And then they have like the little string, and they try to put the bracelet on you, and he was like, oh, for respect, and then he was like physically grabbing me, dude. It was actually really scary. And he was so close to putting it on me. It's like my hand's red. He was like, for respect. But then I know if I put that on, I'm getting pocketed, or I'm gonna have to pay. So kind of crazy. Actually really scary. He's like forcibly was trying to put it on me, but I couldn't let it happen. I like pulled my hand away. He was grabbing me, dude. It was actually really bad. But we're out and we have to pay, so we're good. Look at this though. Look at this though. Now that's the view we live for. Now that's it right there. This place is pretty cool, but it's kind of scary because there's a lot of like people trying to get you to sign up for things, and then like the bracelet dudes. I've been approached by like 5 like ladies asking me to like sign a little paper, and they're like persistent. It's scary. I'm in the trenches out here, dude. I gotta get out of here. I'm just gonna try to get a picture in the front, and then call it a day, and then get back into the city where there's not this many scamming type things. I found a side path that I can bypass those guys from the entrance, and as I was walking by, unfortunately some girl and like her boyfriend like got the little like band, and the second they put it on, 4 dudes were around them like, oh, like 15, and I'm like trying to get them to pay, and she was like, no, and she was so bummed. So I'm glad I was able to bypass that and not get caught in that situation again. So we live baguette with the hot dog on it. I don't know. It's a light snack when we keep going. I think we're gonna go to some church, and then the Panthéon, something like that. You're all within walking distance, and after that, I might call it a day. It's a light snack. Go to those 2 places, head home, get dinner, pack, a lot of stuff. So let's go. There it is, the Église Saint-Sulpice. I don't know what the big significance is, but it's the 3rd largest church in the city, I think. So that's pretty cool. That was cool. Pantheon's only 15-minute walk, so let's go there now. Looks like the Parthenon and the Capitol mixed together, but I don't know. Let's see what the history is behind this. So it was originally supposed to be a church, but now I think it's just a museum of relics. It's supposed to be for someone random. I don't know, but now it's just a church or a museum. Pretty cool. Great engravings. Look at the top over there. And some writing. I don't know. Intense details. What do you think? I don't know. There's a church back here that looks like Notre Dame, so I want to go see it. Pretty cool. But at the end of the day, my phone's about to die, so I gotta start heading home. You see that? There's Notre Dame right there. Like the rebuilding. I was there yesterday. So we weren't able to So we weren't able to see the Eiffel Tower yesterday with the gleaming lights. So we're gonna go do that now. It's like 7:45. I should get there in like 15-ish minutes, and it should go from the start of the clock to like whatever. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We got us some dinner. Saw the Eiffel Tower. I don't know if I ever showed you guys, but this is my room here in Paris. It's got everything I need. The bathroom's right here. Pretty nice. But I leave tomorrow. I leave early. So I'm just gonna pack, eat, call it a day. Thank you guys for watching. And that's Paris, baby. Just like that, we're in Manchester now. I already dropped my luggage off at the hotel, so I just gotta wait a couple hours. I'm in the mall now. I just got a coffee. I think we're just gonna walk around and see what there is to do, and then check in as soon as we can, because I want to shower. I want to lay down for a little bit, and then there's a couple food halls near me that I looked up that I found via Reddit, so I'm just gonna use those to get dinner for tonight and maybe get a drink or two. So let's go.